Here we go on another site. Wonderful bridge cable site up in King of Prussia area. Sorry about the lighting right there. We're working in a new construction area. So this is going to be our IT room. So we have a couple of the bundles starting to go. We're doing voice and data, and we're going ahead and pulling out certain locations. What we always typically do is we always have the blueprint right here at the pull station. We're going to have one guy labeling the boxes, one of them feeding, and then we're going to have one or two pullers at the other end. So right now you can see they're getting it done. Let me show you a couple of different things that's unique to this site. It's going to be here. As you can see, we're pulling in. Now initially when we first run the cable, we're only going to put J-hooks like every 10 feet. And then code is 5 to 6 feet. So eventually we'll tighten this in. So right now we're actually just roughing it in. And we have different relays.
Huh? That one? Yep. Okay.
So we're actually stuck on something. And this is a really dirty, nasty ceiling. Chicken wire is actually up there. They have a rodent problem. So that's jamming up our wires a little bit, and we have to stay above the I-beams. Now, some of the walls have frames, some of them don't. What we'll be doing is coiling them, putting in new construction momentarily. Now let me just show you some new construction. Also in the conference rooms, we're going to be working with a lot of cores. So let me just show you what we have here. This particular core, this is for a television on the other side of the wall. We're going to have an HDMI and some data going through that pipe, and then it goes through the middle. This particular thing we're going to channel up right here, and we're going to slide in our wires through there into a conference room table. But I wanted to show somebody who's new to the business. New construction. So you guys are familiar with drywall caddies? That's normal. And then you actually have new construction. So these are new construction caddies for people who are new to the business. And that's great when you don't have a wall. And of course we're going to have grommets up top. So we're going to show you the work site once it's all done. This particular job should take us about 2-3 days to get done. And we haven't even cabled on this side. And it looks like Papa John's is here with our lunch.